Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we are in January. The seed racks and displays are out in the stores. So I had my parents pick some stuff out for me here that I had wanted, and we were able to find what we were looking for. So we have our Cosmos Bright Lights, and I grow these just about every year. This is one of my favorite variety of Cosmos to grow. It is an heirloom variety. These do get very tall. Now, these can readily reseed themselves, so sometimes they can try and take over. So you do want to make sure that you keep the seeds in check and that they don't take over, because it is one thing that Cosmos can do. And we're going to be trying a sunflower cutting gold. Now this one here is especially for cut flower production and for flower farmers, so we're going to be adding this one here. Like, I never grew this one here before, so we're going to see what it's like. Some of your sunflowers sometimes will get a lot of pollen on them. So this one here, being that it's done specifically for the cut flowers, I'm hoping that it's not going to have all of that pollen to it. We have our Black Beauty zucchini, and this is our favorite zucchini variety to grow. It is an heirloom. It is also an open pollinated variety, so you can save seeds from these. These will cross readily with squash. So if you're growing your squash and you want to keep your zucchini seeds pure, you definitely want to make sure that they're separated, or only grow one variety at a time, because like I said, these will happily cross with the squash, your yellow squashes. And this here is great for making zucchini relish. We use this when we grill our vegetables. You can also put this in your spaghetti sauces. You can make stuffed zucchini boats out of it. So this has a lot of different uses, and this is our favorite variety here. And this here is the dahlia variety. I grew these last year from seed. I really like the variety, and I wanted a whole lot more of these here. I love the blooms on them. I'll show you a picture of what these blooms look like. And very pretty. They are tall. They're great for your cut flowers. And I was very pleased and happy with this selection here, so I went ahead and got 4 packs of these. I don't know how many of these I'm going to be planting yet, but I wanted to make sure I got 4 packs of them so that I had enough. So looking forward to getting to plant these, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what these here are going to look like here. And if you want something that's great for attracting your butterflies and the bees, these Cosmos, butterflies and bees love Cosmos. These are great for your pollinators. And you can actually even put these in your garden to help draw the pollinators for your vegetables, for helping to pollinate. So we've done that already. And these are absolutely beautiful. I mean, the pictures on here are bright, but when you see this one here in person, it's just so pretty. The colors are so vibrant for it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell us I put a new video on. And I do have videos and a complete playlist for how to grow these from seed, how to start them off. And you can dig the tubers out at the end of the season and store them. I have all those videos on my channel. I'll put some links at the end of this video that you can click on and check out what all I have for these right here. And I have a lot of different videos on my channel, and I show you how to start Cosmos. I'm pretty sure we did zucchini already for seed starting. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.